Hello everybody, this is Yuting with Bimser International. In this presentation, I'd like to introduce to you our Integrated Quality Management System, QDMS. QDMS can be functionalized under two subcategories, quality assurance and quality control. QDMS allows companies to manage documentation, customer complaints, actions, audit activities, and much more system processes within a single platform. To begin with, QDMS will automate processes with quality control in accord to a company's target standards, which reduce the risk of making mistakes. Next, the general localization of quality management under a single platform enables a tighter communication and collaboration across departments and locations. As mentioned, QDMS can be run with no knowledge of coding skills, which will lessen the demand of IT support. It goes to show that QDMS is a sure way of saving lots of time and money. Well, this slide displays a list of industries that can benefit from QDMS. As you can see, we have a wide variety here: banking, food, security, technology, and many others. For the features, QDMS ensures you are meeting the requirements of the quality standards. This includes but not limited to SQF, BRC, and many others. The infrastructure of QDMS is a web-based architecture, which means all actions can be performed through a web browser. A company can choose independently purchase which modules they may require. QDMS can easily be integrated with any ERP or CRM solution applications. In fact, it's rather common to have QDMS integrated with currently existing solutions used in the company. The implementation of the QDMS is the fastest ever. There is absolutely no coding experience required to build an administration process. This, along with its internet-based infrastructure, greatly minimizes the need for IT and technical support. QDMS neatly organizes all of the company's data to provide a firm corporate memory, which all employees can have access to, whether it be from web browser or mobile applications, which is available for both Android and iOS. For the usability, it is very user-friendly and very easy to use. The user interface is simple and consistent through every module. Once you have learned and got a feel for one module, you essentially learn them all. Notification. Whenever the user needs to complete a task, they can be notified via email, home screen for quick access. This notification system incorporates a warning and escalation mechanism. For example, a user creates a document that needs to be approved, but the task has to be done in 3 days. What this mechanism does is to send a warning message to prompt the action of the next person in charge. For the others, the access is dictated and authorized by the user. There is an option to assign tasks based on roles. If someone is promoted or leaves the company, the task will still remain being assigned to that role. Within each module of QDMS, there is a graphical support where all the system information and activities can be generated into a report for analysis. Last but not least, localization support. The system and environment can be configured to multiple world languages. With this range of features, QDMS has certain to provide companies with worldwide benefits. So let's move on to our list of popular QDMS modules. Starting from the top left, we have the document management module, which is the core of QDMS. With this module, users can manipulate documents however they want within the system. This includes the ability to create, review, revise, distribute, and delete documents. Well, the next module is a customer complaints module, which accepts complaints submitted by both employees and customers. Below that, we have the CAPA module. CAPA stands for Corrective and Preventive Actions. Using this module, companies can identify opportunities for improvement, and they can also develop a plan to take care of them. Well, with the Audit Management module, companies can create audit plans and send an employee to perform an internal audit. The Action Management module helps companies keep track of tasks, meeting projects. Any action assigned to a user can be managed through this module. There is also a survey module, which can be used to create a survey within minutes for collecting feedback from both employees and customers. A company can manage their training sessions thanks to the training module. Detailed information regarding a session, such as trainers' attendance or locations, can be organized through this module. The system will also send email notifications to the people who are involved, and at the training termination, the results of the training can be generated into a report. The calibration module allows companies to monitor internal and external calibrations by creating work orders. If, for example, a device defined in this system needs to be calibrated every 6 months, it's possible to associate that device to a periodic work order. The system can be set to send reminders to the person responsible for the process in intervals of 6 months. Well, there is also a module to modify, measure, and monitor the company's impact on the environment, allowing you to create action plans accordingly. This is relevant for the companies who'd like to minimize their negative impacts on the environment in accord with ISO qualifications. Well, the Health and Safety Risks module has a similar functionality, but instead of monitoring environmental impact, it monitors the danger that are likely to occur, by instance regarding occupational health and safety hazards. The IT Asset Risk Management module also has a very familiar, but it geared more towards the risks of information and security. Last but not least on this list, we have the Process Risk Management module, which is used to manage process performance indicators with information retrieved by the system. Well, the modules we have gone over in this presentation are not all QDMS has to offer. There are several other modules that have been made alongside the product's development, and I like to re-emphasize the modular traits of QDMS. This product is scalable, and while some modules can interact with each other, a company can easily pick and choose independently which modules to purchase. For the interest of mid-market, this product can grow with the company as modules can be stacked on each other incrementally. So now let's move on to some of our references here. We have provided a few big name companies such as BP or Kara, but we still have customers in the small and mid-market space. This brings us to the conclusion of our presentation on QDMS. Thank you.